knew making the shears was beyond me. So instead, I contacted Wade Ames of Ames Metalsmithing, who then took me through the process, including sketch to completed design. So let's watch him make these things. His design put two blades on opposite ends. It's kind of neat.
Does it cut from different areas on the blade?
Cuts all the way to the tip.
Cool. What did you do to make it different?
I got rid of, I had the tension way the heck out here and brought it back over. And what I think was happening was the blades were binding too much because I had way too much tension over. So I basically...
Too much of a cross?
Too much push tension, if that makes sense. So I had, like I say, the bottom blade and the top blade I had way over here and then brought back. And I think what that happened is because it was angled like so, when I brought it back, it was catching like this. So I actually just basically brought it back just to this side, and now I've got it over top. And there's a little bit, if you notice, a little bit of a curve to it.
Oh, yeah.
Right, so that's kind of doing your scissor motion of choppa choppa.
So is the bottom blade straight and the top has a little curve in it? Or?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
As far as I remember putting into it, yes. But
that's lovely.
That's pretty darn good. Snippy, snippy, snippy. Like I'm cutting paper, so. Yeah, so one-handed linen can cut. Can cut quite nice.
And in shop gloves.
Shop gloves. But it's binding in one spot, just near the nose. Ta-da. Yeah, just the one spot. Just bind. Oh, now it's slipping, which is good.
And in the end, I actually ended up with two different pairs of shears to play with. I think medieval Edward scissors hands would not work very well. Like, could you put both of those in the same hand? I don't think so. I can't do it, so I'm asking you to do it. One of the reasons I need a little bit of help there is because I lack the grip strength to actually chop this properly. So this is a video of Chris chopping up that linen, and I will just have to practice doing it.